Okay, third attempt to make this video.
That's kind of funny.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot these water bottles here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 7, but she wanted one to drink.
Yeah, because I'm very thirsty.
Alright, and I have a CCI Standard Velocity 22 long rifle that I will chamber in my pistol, and we'll see what happens.
Whatever we hit, it might actually get a little hole in it.
Yeah, it might. Alright, now go back up there.
And I'm just shooting like I'm
No, that's okay. Stand beside me. Ready? How many think it'll go through?
Maybe 2.
2? That's it?
Or 1. It might not sound all of them.
It might. Alright, get behind me. And my backstop is that tree, so that's cool. Alright.
Are you ready?
Yep. Oh!
You got all of them.
Maybe.
That one is leaking. Let's see. That one's leaking.
Let's see what we got here.
That one's leaking.
Uh,
That one's leaking. That one's leaking. And that one's
no way to tell what order.
It's wet.
Yeah, there's
I think those are going to get on fire.
on fire.
Water's getting in there.
Oh, that's a VCR I shot in another video. It's dead. And plus it's not plugged in, duh. Look, this one is full.
That one was the only one that didn't even leak.
All right, let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there was 6.
One was fine.
So
The rest wasn't. The rest of them are leaking.
So did we catch
Yeah.
the bullet?
It says mine. You didn't shoot mine. Good thing you didn't aim my line.
Yeah, I didn't shoot your water bottle. We had 7, but she wanted a water bottle. So.
I guess you get the one that's fine.
Dad,
you get to drink that one. That one's fine.
I get to drink
the
that one?
fine one.
Wow. But we didn't catch the bullet, though. Is it on the table somewhere?
It might be. Sometimes they always land on the... Is that it?
No, that's just a piece of plastic.
That's just a piece of paper towel.
Yeah, that's a piece of paper towel or something. Look, a screw.
Yay!
Might
A
need that
bullet
someday.
screw.
All right, well.
I guess that was it for today. Make another one tomorrow.
Let's do this. Since this one survived.
Since one of them survived, let's try to shoot it.
Yeah, we're going to shoot it, definitely.
How about I shoot this time?
You want to shoot this one?
Yeah. So you have to get behind me.
Well, I'll hold it for you. What's the rules?
But take it off.
Well, you need to stand up, for one. Hold on.
Ow.
What are you doing?
You're kind of squishing my hand.
Alright, I think you're better with the rifle, not this one. We'll shoot the rifle. You can shoot the rifle. Because you're better with the rifle, okay?
There's bullets in there.
Alright, step back.
Now we're gonna aim. We're aiming at it. We're aiming at it. Okay, let me shoot. Da, 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 da.
Oh, got him.
That water splat all over me. Let's check the bottle.
That one exploded.
Oh my god, it's making a stream.
Yeah, it totally blew that one apart. But that was not a CCI Standard Velocity.
Yeah.
That was actually a, oh, which one was that?
One of them is still leaking. That's new.
Yep. Alright, well that was cool.
What
We're going to need more water bottles next time. You got a mosquito bite?
Yeah.
So, how many water bottles do you think we'll need next time?
7.
We had 7. You drank one of them.
That means 8.
Yep, that's 8. Alright, well that was fun. No, we're not shooting that. That's just a piece of plastic. What are you doing? Alright, peace out. That was fun.